Fairfax County police officers put their lives on the line every day to protect and to serve you and your family. Our police department has made great strides forward as a result of two major reports developed by the Police Executive Research Forum and the Ad Hoc Police Practices Review Commission. Over 200 recommendations were made regarding use of force, citizen oversight, diversity and vetting, mental health, and communications. The Fairfax County Police Department strives to be a model for the rest of the country in treating residents fairly, honoring the sanctity of life, ensuring a culture of public trust, and maintaining a safe community. Here's Ed Rossler, our Chief of Police, with the latest news from our police department.
The law enforcement profession in the United States of America needs to re-engineer itself as a profession. In particular, use of force is a big issue in the United States of America and also here locally in Fairfax County. As a brand new police chief in the summer of 2013, one of my top 10 priorities was to understand decades-long processes of use of force in the Fairfax County Police Department. So I took a journey to eventually contract with the Police Executive Research Forum to undertake an independent study of our use of force policies and practices, and then to look at our past cases and determine whether or not our policies, procedures, and training are indeed best practices. As the review was underway, Chairman Bulova formed the Ad Hoc Police Policies and Practices Commission, known as the Ad Hoc Commission, to also allow the community to take a look at its police department as far as use of force policies and practices, mental health, our relationship with the media, and our communications in general to the entire community as it relates to use of force and other issues that are important to the community. About 20 years ago, the Fairfax County Police Department disengaged with national accreditation due to budgetary constraints. In 2013, as a new chief, it was my priority to re-engage with national accreditation with CALEA. With the recommendations from PERF, the Ad Hoc Commission, and our effort to gain national accreditation, what we're looking toward in the future is to become a leader in the law enforcement profession. Once a month, a Citizen Advisory Council meets with the police commanders of each district station. And what we talk about are crime issues in the community, other organizational issues, and it's an opportunity for the community to dialogue with their local commander to have input on the delivery of police services. What we need is a diverse labor force, sworn civilian and volunteers, to effectively achieve our vision and carry out our mission. Our department needs to reflect the great diversity of Fairfax County. Over the last 2 years, the Diversity Council has paid off greatly. You could go to the Chief's webpage, see the Diversity Council strategic plan, a report card, and see the changes in diversity we are making by hiring new sworn officers to the police department that are coming from Fairfax County and that bring diversity. And we need to continue to build that capacity for the decades to follow. I, as your chief and your police department, have taken many steps, whether it's through the recommendations of the PERF report, the Ad Hoc Commission, and other national and local issues to change the way we do business. And I am proud to say that your police department is a national leader in this effort, and we hope that every single other law enforcement agency in the United States follows our lead and dialogue with their community to improve our profession and build trust capacity throughout this country.